Myself Dr. Nandini. I welcome you to my channel. Today, India and the world is facing a virus strike. We all are really very worried about the COVID-19. Now, we all might have heard about prevention is better than cure. This part we need to be prevented. How? By boosting up your immunity. Here in this video, I will introduce what are the ways to boost up your immunity through yoga and naturopathy. I will tell you about naturopathy. Naturopathy is a system in which uses 5 Panch Mahabhutas: air, space, ether, water and fire. Using these techniques, we will help you to cure your diseases. So first, we will use this technique as a first principle. Body heals itself when given an external stimuli. Now we will advise you the help of naturopathy diet. Always have your food when you feel you're hungry. Don't feed your stomach unnecessarily. When you are having your food, be in mind that your food should contain 20% acidic food like lemon, orange, mossambi, and 80% alkaline food, boiled vegetables, boiled fruits, salads, etc. And now we'll go with hydrotherapy, water treatment. Drink at least 8 to 9 glasses of water. If you are not able to build up with glasses of water, fill at least 3 bottles of water. Drink so that you can measure how much of water you are daily drinking it. And always drink of water by sip by sip. You should not feel heavy after drinking water. The last one in naturopathy is fasting therapy. Yes, fasting helps you to boost up your immunity power and help you to heal soon. Never go with a dry fasting. Always go with water fasting, juice fasting, boiled vegetables fasting. Even you can go with salads. Now, talking about all this naturopathy diet, when you follow it regularly, you will help yourself to be nourished. Now, the next topic will be the stress. Really, stress is the matter now, which are helping us to make more worried. Stress, what is stress actually is? Stress is nothing but just a reaction to the situation. Everybody in this life, in this world faces stress. But very few are able to cope up with the stress. It is so because the power, the ability to think. Yoga is the mastery of mind. When one is able to obtain this mind, able to control this thought and mind, he can attain anything in this world and able to cope up the stress very easily. Now here are some techniques which are able to teach you yoga, will help you to come up with the stress, along with that which help you to boost up your immunity power. Let's start the technique. The first technique will be Bhastrika, which helps you to increase your lung capacity and help you to concentrate much more better. For that, we will sit in any comfortable position, adopt chin mudra startingly, and place both the palms on your knees. We'll start the session. First is Bhastrika. You have to inhale at the same force you need to exhale. Inhale and exhale should be only from your nostril, never from your mouth. If you are highly hypertensive or any cardiac issues, please avoid this practice. Slowly you can even increase your rate. Slowly slow down. Be aware of the practice, feel the changes and slow down. Observe your changes in your breath. Now we will focus on the next practice, that is Kapalbhati, in which it is active exhalation and passive inhalation. So we will exhale forcefully. Inhalation will be passively happening. See the demo. While doing this practice, your facial muscles should be at rest. Focus only on your breath, not on your abdomen. Slowly do 2 20 to 30 strokes. Don't increase your speed. If you are again highly hypertensive or cardiac patient, please avoid this practice. The next practice is abdomen breathing. This is one of the simplest practice and most effective practice too. Place any of the palm on your abdomen. On inhalation, your abdomen bulge out. On exhalation, it should sink down. Continue this practice. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Gently relax. This is the third one. Now we will focus on the fourth one, that is Anulom Vilom. It helps you to focus on your concentration power and reduce your stress. You can adopt Nasika Mudra. Inhale from your left, while exhale from your right, and again inhale from your right, exhale to your left. Now close your right nostril from your thumb, inhale from your left, close your left nostril, exhale to your right. Again inhale from your right, close and exhale to your left. Continue one more round, slow and gentle. Your breath should be slow, be aware. The next practice is Bhramari. You can also do this practice when adopting Shanmukhi Mudra. When people feel difficult doing this, you can also do it within Chin Mudra also. I will teach you this practice in Shanmukhi Mudra. The thumb, you need to close your ears. With the index finger, close your eyes. Middle finger, nose, place it side of the nose. Ring finger beside your lips and little finger the chin. Hand should be wide open, don't put it down, wide open. Inhale with your nostril, exhale, you need to chant the female honeybee. Slowly put your hands down, feel the vibration, connect yourself with the vibration and try to relax. Slowly open your eyes. These are the pranayama techniques. Now I will teach you 2 mudras which will help you to boost up your immunity power. The first mudra is the pran mudra, in which you need to join your ring finger and little finger together and touch it with the tip of your thumb and slowly place it. This is pran mudra, will help you to increase your immunity power. The next one is the Surya mudra, in which bend your ring finger down and touch it with your thumb. This is Surya mudra, which will increase your blood circulation throughout the body, which will help the stimulation process and which will help for further healing process. These are the yogic techniques. Now we will next focus upon the prayers. Prayer are the most effective medicine to any sick and the vulnerable gift to anyone you have loved. Now the last but the most important one is be with yourself. In this busy world, we always worry about everyone, family, members, office, colleagues, friends. We never find time for our own self. This is a time when you can search out your talent, discover your talent and find time for yourself. Find time for yourself, be with you, stay with the cosmic energy and stay with the nation. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Stay happy, stay healthy. My life, my yoga. Thank you.